everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. So today I'm going to be unboxing my February Boxycharm base box. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you can choose between a base box or a premium box. The base box, which is what I get, is for $25 plus tax a month. And in the base box, you will get 5 full-size items that average around $175 in value. Also this month, Boxycharm had its pop-up, which is where subscribers can shop a variety of beauty and lifestyle products up to 80% off. I personally did grab a couple of items, which I will share with you today as well. Now, if you would like to receive your own box this month, you can use my referral link, and by doing so, you'll receive a $10 credit that you'll be able to use towards your March add-ons. Plus, you'll receive a free gift of your choice, either the Eloise A Queen Lies in All of Us palette or the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Now, if you would like to learn more about Boxycharm, or if you are interested in joining, I will provide my link in the description box down below for you. Now that we know all about Boxycharm, let's see what I got in my box this month. So I'm going to start off by sharing with you what I got in my pop-up purchase. Now, unlike my previous pop-up orders that I have done, I actually only grabbed 3 products this time. The first one I grabbed is Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Now, I believe this is going to be my first Tula product that I have ever tried, so I'm really excited to try this out. I've heard some amazing things about this brand. On top of that, I struggle with having humongous pores and having major blackheads, like especially around my nose area. So I'm interested to see if this is actually going to work. Currently what I use for my blackheads and my pores on my nose is the Avon Clear Skin Black Mineral Mask, and that works incredible. I love it. But I'm always up to try new products. The next item I picked is Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. I love my mascara, and I am about to do a declutter of my mascara. It's about that time where I need to go over and pull out the ones that are getting close to their expiration date. So I'm going to be needing some replacements. So I saw this and I was like, ooh, I like Tarte. Let's see what this one's all about. And the last item I grabbed from the pop-up is the QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. Now, I had gotten the QMS Medi Cosmetics Tinted Moisturizer, I believe in my August Boxycharm box, and I love that tinted moisturizer. So when I saw that it was a brand that I'm already familiar with and I enjoy, I figured I would give this a try. So now let's get to my box. So I'm just going to grab my card real quick. So in each of your subscription boxes, you'll receive a card, and it will give you that month's theme, which this month, obviously with it being February, it is XOXO, like a Valentine's theme. Then when you flip it, you'll see a list of all the products that you have, along with the description of each of the products. And then down here will give you your version of that month's box. So I'm just going to put the card here. Don't know what I got, and to be honest with you, I'm not sure on the top of my head what item I chose. I'll probably remember once I see it, but I can't guarantee it. Okay, so we're just going to reach in here, and the first product I got is the St. Lux Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. Here are the 2 shades. This is what they look like. So it looks like I got the shade Secret Admirer and Love Letter. So it says it's a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula that smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. Ooh. And from the looks of it, these look very interesting. I'm not so sure about Secret Admirer. I think this is going to be a little too dark. How do you... Are you serious? The tip broke off. And it's not like a retractable one. So I can't even use this. That's a waste. Let's see what this one. Well, this one's good. I really like the tip. It sucks. I don't know, I think that really sucks that this one came broken. You know what? Let me see what it retails. This is a $40 liner set with one that broke. Are you serious? Here's the tip. Like, oh my god, that was such a waste. So not happy. This is not starting off too good. And you know what? That's what I get, because the last few months my Boxycharm boxes have been super incredible. Of course, you know, my luck has to run out at some point. Alright, let's move on. So the next product is... of course, this is just gonna be my luck today. Yeah. Look familiar? Pop-up purchase, Boxycharm box. This is created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel that helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. And it's a retail value of $32. Let's not be too mad about this, because if this is a product that I actually really enjoy, then I'm not going to care that I have to. I'll actually be excited that I have to, so that way when I use one up, I'll have the other. If I end up not liking it, well, then I guess this will be going into a giveaway to one of you guys. So, we will see. I will give this one a chance. I don't know what it is about my subscriptions this month, because, I mean, Boxycharm, it seems like it took forever to finally ship out. I got my pop-up order actually a week ago, and then I got this today. And then my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Ultimate, I've been tracking them and they keep saying there's delays. And they seem like they're not coming together. Normally my Glam Bags come together, but this time they're not. So, I don't know. We'll see. Let's please get better. Okay. Oh no. I already know I don't like this. The Trestique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. An eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. And it retail value of $44. Now the reason why I know I don't like this is because I got this Trestique mascara, I believe from Ipsy in November, and I didn't like it. I thought it was gimmicky and I gave mine away. This is what the mascara looks like. This is the lash curler, and that's the mascara. I will be giving this away again. Now let's check the liner. Maybe I will keep the liner. Maybe this time I'll have good luck with the liner. The liner looks pretty good. To be honest, I think I'm just going to pop it back in here with the mascara. So I haven't had a giveaway in a while because I've been loving all the products I've been giving and really don't have much products right now, but looks like by the end of this month I'm gonna have one. Alright, let's see what we got next. Ooh, brushes. I am always for brushes. So these are Glamere Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. So these are starting off on the right track. I like glam, I like pink, and I like glitter. Glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. This is a retail value at $29.95, and it says it's a new launch. So this is what the pouch looks like. It's kind of like a plasticky material, which, to be honest, I kind of like, especially when you're playing with makeup. It can be easily wiped off. And this looks like it would be perfect to travel with. And it's got like a snap closure. And it looks like there's room to put some more brushes in there on top of these 4 that are in here. I'm so loving these. I know these are so girly girl and ridiculous, and I'm a 36-year-old woman that should not be entertained with these, but I can't help it. I am. They got like the, and their little hearts in there. So these are what the brushes look like, and they are really, really, really soft. These will be getting popped right into my eye brush set. There we go. Okay, next is, so this is the Brow Bar by Rima Bombshell Brow Kit. Woohoo! So let's see what this is all about. This looks so fancy. Ooh. This is the most luxurious brow kit ever made. The golden goddess of all brow kits. This chic, sleek, compact includes tweezers, a brow pencil, 2-sided spoolie with brush, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. And it retails for $40. This just looks so luxurious. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, that looks so fancy. Well, the packaging looks cool. This is what the brow pencil looks like. This just looks like a regular pencil. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe the formula is there. I don't know. I'm going to look into the reviews on this before I dive in, because this sadly might be getting passed on. I mean, this does look gorgeous. Shades, they look kind of like a cream. And then this is like a shimmer. I'm going to be doing my research on this one. If you have used this, please let me know in the comments down below if it's something worth keeping. Now keep in mind, I like to have my brow routine as easy as possible. Well, that is all I got in my February Boxycharm box and pop-up order. And I have to say, this is probably the worst box that I have received ever from Boxycharm. Both liners broke on me. I ended up getting a product that I ordered from Pop-Up, which isn't all that bad. I got a mascara and liner that I hate. And as luxurious as this looks with package-wise, I'm not so sure quality-wise it's worth it. The only thing I actually even like is the gimmicky eye brushes. That's it. And it's not like something like I'm like over the top excited about. I mean, yeah, they're pretty cool and, you know, cutesy, but it's not worth the $25. I'll tell you that right now. But I guess I'm due for a bad box. I just didn't think that when I got a bad box, it would be this bad. So now it's your turn. What did you think of my box? If you got a Boxycharm box, what did you get in your Boxycharm box? Did you have a fail like me, or did you actually enjoy your products? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. And if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join me here on my channel by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember to be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.